Hello everyone, today we are going to show you the process to log in to your ACURA Financial Service account on your Windows PC or laptop. Firstly, open your preferred search engine and type in ACURA Financial Login in the URL box. Then hit search. You will see several links. Look for the one that says Login ACURA Financial Service and click on it. This will take you to login page of ACURA Financial Service. Next, enter your username that you used to create your account and input your account password. There is also an option called Remember Me, which allows user to stay logged in to a website across seasons. Once you have entered your username and password, hit the login button. And there you have it. That's how you log in to your ACURA Financial account. Thanks for watching our video. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.